Yo, so guys, today we're gonna be customizing his Fortnite gun. Yay! So I don't have spray paint. I do have markers. I'm gonna try and make it look good. I'll try my best. Thank you guys so much for the shorts, the 58 views. I just started this channel. Thank you guys so much. So now let's customize. We have a Fortnite gun. Yeet. We don't really need this, but I'll try and make a sketch maybe. And then we have the markers. So I'm going to try and make a sketch. Let's find a pencil because I need a freaking pencil. Pencil. Oh, God. Got a pen. So how do you guys like the new customized shoes I made? Pretty sick, right? Alright. I'll just use a pen. Alright, let's do a sketch for them. Okay? Alright. Let's go. So right now I'm gonna make this sketch. So right here. And yeah. Let's make the sketch. Nah, I can't make the sketch too hard. I'm gonna just customize it because I have art like that. I like art like that. Let's customize it. Alright. Here are all the colors. I'm gonna do the same as last time. Just pick. So I'm gonna pick something from right here. Oh, we got this neon thingy. Okay, then pick something from right here. Oh, this. Alright. That's a good use. We're gonna do four in each one. 4. So red. Nice. Okay. Alright. Never mind. I picked these 3. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 colors. Let's get started. So I did the space theme, but I think I'm going to go like a YouTube thing. So I'm going to start in the gray part. Then I'm going to just color right here. Alright, so right now, this is what I got. I'm starting red, because I like red a lot. So this is what I got right now. But I'm going to try to make it as cool as possible, because this is not easy. Alright, like this is not easy. Oh, so those customized shoes I'm going to be donating them. So if you want, all you do is like, if you want those shoes, like, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell for notifications when I upload a new video. There goes my pen. Oh yeah, we didn't need the notebook, so. Yeet. Ow. Ow. Okay, so this is what I got so far. That's it. Alright. We're gonna start with this neon. This little neon. Let's start with that. I'm gonna see how this colors. I don't like that song. Do you guys like it? Cause I hate that song. I want some neon here. Call it neon is because it kind of looks like glow in the dark. I should do like a glow in the dark thing. Alright. Yeah, that's covered. No green spot. Nope. Not dealing with that. Not dealing with that. Alright, I'm sorry. I'll stop. Okay. Alright. You have this color. Guys, tell me if you like this color. Because it actually looks like really bad on the outside, but on the inside, the color is actually really good. Let's start on some of this. Alright? I know I did it last time. The space theme. But it turned out so good, so. Okay, that's done. Now we're gonna do some space theme. So we're gonna go on orange, red, and we didn't try this one. So let's try these ones. Like Michael Jackson, like. Ow! What the fuck? Okay, stop. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. So this doesn't shine that much. I think it's supposed to be like some type of yellow or something. Okay, so that didn't really work out well, but I'm gonna try some red, see how it goes with the yellow, and it actually goes really good. Like, yay. Okay, we're gonna try orange. Now, I'm gonna make like a little diamond. I'm gonna make now a pretty big diamond, medium diamond. And now we're gonna make with a little scar. Ooh, that actually looks good with the scar. Alright. So it's coming out pretty good. Pretty good right now. I'm gonna do like a little connection here with the red and the orange. Orange to red. Alright, that was nice. Now we're gonna make some more brown. You know what I'm saying? But instead we're gonna put it where we put the red in the line. If you didn't see. Cause yeah. And now for the final touch. No, it's not the final touch. Well, it's the final touch here, but not the full gun. You know what I mean. You know what I mean? The reason I'm customizing this because last time, me and my dad. Sorry. Está bien. Okay, so last time, me and my dad, we spray painted this gun. So we didn't actually do it with what's it called? Markers like we're doing right now. We actually did it with spray paint. And then I was getting boring, and I just decided to put this on. It looks pretty cool. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. We're not going to be customizing that one. But maybe soon in the future we will. But I don't think right now we're going to customize it. Right now. It's going to be hard to customize with markers because, spray paint. With the spray paint and stuff. Okay. Alright. So, I'm trying to find what actual color. So, let me get my notebook. Let's see what actual color. Because then I just picked the blank color. Okay, so it actually is purple. But since it's in the yellow, and I already finished with some of these. Some of these. With the grays part. So, yeah. Alright, we gotta make some more planets because this is not coming along so good. So I'm gonna make some more planets.
¿Tienes que hacer la cocina? Te dice todo eso.
Sorry guys, that was
Porque
cleaners.
se me quedó parada. ¿Cómo hacemos? ¿Cómo
Please
avanzamos?
don't. Like, because the
¿Te
cleaners.
falta mucho para lavar?
No, ya estoy guardando. Ya que acá son panes y sábana.
Bueno, voy a hacer la cocina porque no.
¿No quieres comer?
No, me dice que vamos a estar bien. Son las 11 y pico. A ver, podemos hacer. Todavía falta el baño de ella y no sé qué tanto más falta. El frente que tú me dijiste y falta terminar el cuarto. Y falta todo el piso, o sea, falta, ¿me entiendes?
Oh, yeah, we actually do have a great part. So let's try this color.
Imagínate, yo voy a empezar a hacer la cocina porque se me quedó parada. ¿Cómo avanzamos?
Alright, so that color is, it's nice.
¿Y para qué vino?
It's actually really, really, really nice. Oh, that made it really good.
Ah, en la...
Now we gotta color the big diamond we did
En la vaina esa. Ahora
here
que
with
falta
the
el baño,
scar.
falta por todo el porque me dijeron.
Ya estoy guardando para ya lo que quedan sábanas.
You know, actually, you used to be really bad at art.
Por eso falta lo otro, falta
But after I got a little bit better.
Y eso te estoy diciendo. Y ella termina hace todo. Voy a hacer la cocina, para.
Alright, so it's coming along nice. Pretty nice. Pretty good. I mean, this is how it's coming along. It's pretty nice. But I think we'll add some more detail. Like some
Al de
more
granito que
detail.
está ahí en el bolso. ¿Ves? Esto es limpio, sucio.
Eso?
Es limpio.
Yeah, see. Okay. We're almost done. Yay, another scar. And the final is this. So tell me if you guys like it. And if you do, like, subscribe, because I will be donating this to someone if they want this. Just put in your address and we'll ship it to you in a box. And we'll give you the extra ammo. Okay? Bye guys. What do you want needs customized sex? I was thinking maybe a phone case. But that's too little. It's gonna take a short amount of time. And I'll do some more stuff. Actually, the video's not done. We'll do one more stuff. I'm gonna introduce you to my mom. Yay. Oh, she's in a car. But she'll wave, alright? Okay, so that was my mom. So guys, so if you want the gun or the shoes, all you have to do is like, subscribe, post a comment why you want it, and I'll ship it to you. You gotta give me my address, your address too. In South Carolina, I promise you. Bye.